Hey, it's Nate with MarketingNate.com. This is part of the How to Build a Membership Website course. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install s2Member and s2Member Pro. Now you need to start off with a WordPress website installed. If you don't know how to do that, please look below. I'll have videos laid out for you on how to get a WordPress website set up and installed. Okay, so we have our WordPress website, brand new, from scratch, installed, no plugins, no special themes. So let's get started by installing s2Member. So you just go to plugins on the left side toolbar and add new. And you're just going to search for s2Member. And you'll see s2Member framework, member roles, capabilities, membership, PayPal members. That's the one you want. Press install now. Do you want to install that plugin? Yes. So the plugin's going to install. Then we have to activate the plugin. And you see s2Member loaded on the left side toolbar. And you see all the little options that came with it. So now we're going to upgrade this to Pro. In order to do that, you have to, of course, have bought Pro, which again, I recommend. Coupons down below. And when you're in your customer account section, you'll see an area that says My Product File Downloads and s2Member Pro. And when you download this, it's a zip file. So just pay attention where you save it. You save it to your desktop or wherever you can remember you saved it to, because we're going to upload it to your web host in just a minute. Okay, hopefully your web host has cPanel. If not, hopefully you're familiar with FTP. If you're not familiar with FTP, I recommend you Google it and learn how to add files to your server. But if you went with StableHost, which is what I recommend, coupon code MarketingNate for 40% off, you will have access to cPanel. And within cPanel, we're looking for File Manager. So click that. And it's going to give you a directory selection option. You can just select Go. And now we need to navigate to our domain and our website. So I'm going to navigate right now. And if you go back to the s2Member website, it tells you where to install it. So upload to WP Content/plugins. So that's where we're going to navigate to. So we got WP Content and plugins. And now we see that we have s2Member, s2Member files, and s2Member logs. So we got a few things already installed from when we installed the plugin, the free version. Now we're going to upload the Pro version. So you're going to select Upload and choose File. And you're going to navigate to wherever you save the s2Member-Pro zip file. Select it, press Open, and in the bottom right hand corner, it's going to give you a little upload screen here. And as you can see, it says Complete. So we'll go back to File Manager, press this little reload option, and you'll see that s2Member Pro.zip has uploaded. We're going to select it. And then you see in the toolbar right here, in the top, it says Extract. Select Extract. And it's going to make sure that it's extracting to the correct directory. And remember, we want it to go to WP-Content/plugins. Again, WP-Content/plugins. So we're good. We can select Extract Files. It's going to show everything that it extracted. That's great and pretty, but we can close it. So we can go back to our WordPress admin panel and see how it says s2Member, and there's these options. When I refresh the screen, it should say s2Member Pro, and I'll have a lot more options. As you can see, s2Member Pro, and there are a lot more options. So that is how you install s2Member and s2Member Pro. In the next video, we'll get into actually configuring everything.